MBA Crash Course on Personal Finance and Wealth Management. Personal finance and wealth management involve the management of an individual's financial resources, including budgeting, investing, saving, and planning for long-term financial goals. It encompasses strategies to build wealth, protect assets, and make informed financial decisions. Now, let's explore some of the key techniques for success in personal finance and wealth management. Budgeting and expense tracking. Creating a comprehensive budget and tracking expenses to gain control over spending habits and identify areas for saving and investing. Goal setting. Setting clear and measurable financial goals, whether short-term or long-term, such as saving for retirement, purchasing a home, or starting a business. Emergency fund. Building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or financial setbacks, providing a safety net and avoiding reliance on debt. Debt management. Developing strategies to effectively manage and reduce debt, prioritizing high-interest debt and exploring options for refinancing or consolidation. Saving and investing. Implementing disciplined saving habits and exploring investment options to grow wealth over time, considering a diversified portfolio aligned with risk tolerance and financial goals. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement by understanding retirement savings vehicles, for example, 401k, IRA, estimating future income needs, and maximizing contributions to retirement accounts. Tax optimization. Optimizing tax strategies by taking advantage of tax-efficient investment vehicles, deductions, and credits, while staying compliant with tax laws. Risk management and insurance. Assessing and managing risks by obtaining appropriate insurance coverage, such as health insurance, life insurance, and property insurance. Estate planning. Developing an estate plan to protect assets, minimize taxes, and ensure the smooth transfer of wealth to future generations or charitable causes. Education and continuous learning. Staying informed about personal finance and investment topics through self-education, attending seminars, reading books, or seeking advice from financial professionals. Behavioral finance. Recognizing the impact of emotions and cognitive biases on financial decision-making, and developing strategies to overcome common pitfalls. Professional advice. Seeking guidance from certified financial planners or wealth managers to create a comprehensive financial plan tailored to individual circumstances and goals. In summary, personal finance and wealth management require a combination of financial discipline, goal setting, and informed decision-making. By implementing budgeting techniques, saving and investing wisely, managing debt effectively, and seeking professional advice when needed, individuals can achieve financial security and work towards their long-term wealth goals. Poem. In the realm of financial wisdom, where dreams of wealth and freedom blossom, personal finance takes the stage, guiding us on a prosperous voyage. Budgets crafted with careful thought, tracking expenses, as wisdom is sought, goals envisioned, aspirations high, on the path to financial skies. Investments planned, a strategy in place, building wealth, at a steady pace. Debt tamed, a burden relieved. Financial success, firmly achieved. Risk managed, with insurance shield. Assets protected, future sealed. Education fuels our financial might. Knowledge empowers, shining bright. Estate plans woven, legacies secure. Charitable giving, hearts pure. In this realm of finances art, we shape our lives, with a prosperous start. Song. Verse 1. In a world of personal finance, where dreams take flight, we navigate the journey, guided by financial light. Budgets as our compass, tracking every cent. Building wealth and freedom, that's our intent. Chorus. Personal finance, the key to financial peace, where dreams and goals find sweet release. Savings and investments, growing by the day, we forge a path to a prosperous way. Verse 2. Debt becomes a challenge, but we face it head on. With strategies in place, we'll soon be debt-free and strong. Investments carefully chosen, a diversified array. Building wealth for tomorrow, each and every day. Chorus. Personal finance, the key to financial peace. Where dreams and goals find sweet release. Savings and investments, growing by the day. We forge a path to a prosperous way. Bridge. Knowledge is our ally, education paves the road. Behavioral finance guides us, as we lighten the load. Estate plans and insurance, securing our family's fate. In this realm of finance, we create our prosperous state. Chorus. Personal finance, the key to financial peace. Where dreams and goals find sweet release. Savings and investments, growing by the day. We forge a path to a prosperous way. Outro? In the realm of personal finance, we find our stride. Building wealth and freedom, side by side. With discipline and vision, our dreams we embrace. Personal finance's power, leading us to grace. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.